The technology you use impress no one. The experience you create with it is everything. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ken Giovanni Bayu. I'm from SMA SR Romang Putra Malang. Yes, I'm a student, 17 years old, 11 right, and I've heard story that development of technology related to education. Little the story from me, I impress myself when I use my device to look for reference, to look for information about learning, and others, it very helpful, real. But sometimes, I use it for open TikTok, Instagram, game, and other things that actually hinder learning, and that is the problem. I listen to what my teacher asks, and I just Google it, not to bother opening book, not to bother bring book to school, and just bring a phone, and I show my teacher, voila, ebook, solution, done. But over time using Google and their friends does not go well. A lot of articles debating about the impact of technology in education from every angle. And I take 3 points from it. First, technology can be good. Technology can be very valuable for student learning. For teacher too, how they give tasks with the paper and it can save the environment. And then second, technology can be dangerous. For example, school facing like cyberbullying and then honesty about exam and can be worryingly addictive. And last thing, we all know, technology now is speeding up, not slowing down. It's not a trend like TikTok dance or Indonesian DJ song or something like that. I don't know. It has an expiration date and also very dangerous, yeah. And also they're not going anywhere around us. And now we focus to Gen Z. Gen Z is now commonly referred as digital native because almost of them use technology. And for them, technology is not just a tool but also an environment where they can communicate, share information, and share their experience and so on. And if the school prohibits the use of gadget because of cyberbullying, then the solution is no gadget, no technology, there will be no problem. Done. Easy. But the solution is only temporary. After school, after the class, they go out and they use their gadgets again whenever, wherever they want, just the same, right? So what is the impact of technology in education? We know there are two possibilities, good and bad, positive and negative. But then how we straighten it out? We must remember two important things. First is the responsibility of educators, how they teach them, how they use technology to learn. And then the second is the user. Also, users are very important. Users have very more responsibility than educators because they have more power of their gadgets. Whether for do good things or bad things. And this is the important thing. We cannot blame the advance of technology if indeed we as human can use as well as possible. So, this is not a trend, but this is technology. Thank you. Kurang menit belum.
Oh, balik ya?